New Year's resolutions. A lot of people make them. I'm personally not a huge fan of these things, but for 2018, I decided to make 3 specific New Year's resolutions when it comes to trading and investing specifically that I felt are worth sharing with you. Number 1, I want to be even more patient. Patience is a core part of my strategy and the process that I preach and apply in everything that we do in the markets. But for 2018, I want to be even more patient, particularly when it relates to things that are in strongly trending bull markets. Right now, we still have a very strongly trending bull market in things like stocks. And think about it. Have you ever done a trade and you then very quickly got nervous about it because the stock, let's say you bought a stock and it went against you, and then you stop yourself out only for the next couple days or maybe a couple of weeks later, the stock could take off again to the upside? Well, that's a typical phenomenon of bull markets. And while the bull market certainly could change and will likely probably get more volatile at some point in 2018, I want to exercise even more patience in things that are really strongly trending. Resolution number 2. I want to spend less time looking at the markets when there's no need to look at the markets. In 2017, I felt like a few times here or there, I got into the habit of just whipping up my smartphone and pulling up the quotes just when I was, say, standing in an airport line or whatever it might be, where I really didn't need to check the market. Now, the great thing about this business is that you can really do it from anywhere, but unless you have to check in, unless it's part of your routine, I really suggest, and again, that's my big thing for this year, to not look at the market. I don't want to check the market again right before bed when it's been closed for hours. That's a silly thing to do, and in fact, all that's going to do is make you more nervous. So one of my big things for 2018 is only focus on the market when it's part of my process and routine, and not so much when it's just because of boredom. New Year's resolution number 3 for me for 2018 is to respect the trends. Now, this is somewhat similar and related to point number 1, but it's a little bit different. You see, trend following as a core strategy is one of the most successful strategies in both trading and investing there's ever been, and likely ever will be. When things are strongly trending, you want to remain to respect that trend. But for me specifically, as much as I am a believer in sticking to these trends, a lot of times it's very easy to overtrade within these trends. So let's say you have a long position in stock XYZ and it's strongly trending. A lot of times people freak out and they take profits too soon. Or again, they stop themselves out too soon when the trend, nothing's changed in the trend, when the stock is still trending higher and is still within its entire trend to the upside. So those are the 3 New Year's resolutions for me 2018. I hope this is helpful for you. And again, I want to wish everyone a very happy and healthy and profitable 2018.